Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Sri Swaminarayan Physiotherapy College. Myself Dhruvansh Patel and my friend Prachisha will explain you about sleeping ergonomics. So, what is ergonomics? It is the scientific study of human work. It deals with the designing and arranging the things so that we can use them easily and safely. Now, what is sleeping ergonomics? Our sleeping posture is just as important as how we sit or stand. It can have a great impact on your quality of sleep. This is called sleeping ergonomics. It is important to ensure that as we rest, we are in a comfortable position and in order to prevent any additional strain to the body. Have you ever experienced pain, headache, or stiffness in your neck or back when you are waking up? Have you ever wondered why you are not getting any comfortable sleep? Now, my friend Prachi will tell you the best position for sleep.
Everyone wants to know what is the best position to sleep. Today I am going to discuss it in this video. Today I am going to also discuss the other positions in which you can sleep comfortably. The best positions to sleep is side sleeping position. You can see in this picture how the girl is sleeping, and this is the side sleeping position. Now we are going to discuss what is the exact position in which you are sleeping in sideline position. First, you have to allow your right or left shoulder to make in contact with the mattress, and along with it rest that side of your body. Now place a pillow between your knees as such is shown in this picture like this. Now if there is a gap between your waist and the mattress, you should consider a small pillow for the support. नाउ अगर आपको एक पिलो लेना है कि दो पिलो लेना है, दैट इज़ योर विश, बट यू शुड नॉट स्लीप इन one position only. It can cause the muscle imbalance and even the scoliosis like diseases. So you should take in account for this point. Now this is the picture in which you can see that there is a pillow between the knee and near the head. A pillow between the knees improve the alignment of your hip as well as pelvis and also the spine. Many people have the problems related to spine, so they can sleep in this position and they can improve their spine curves. Now in this position you can see, in these positions and in these pictures you can see that what is the wrong and what is the right. If you put the pillow between the legs, the alignment of the spinal cord becomes correct, and if you are not putting the pillow between the legs, the alignment of your spine is not correct, and what is the red spots, there the injury can happen. So you can see what is the right position and what is the wrong position in this picture. Now we will learn about the stomach sleeping. Stomach sleeping is not a good position, but you can have it if you are comfortable in it, and you can have it by putting a pillow under your pelvis and lower abdomen to relieve some of the pressure of your back and to relieve the stress on your spine and lower back. Depending upon this position, you may or may not choose or use a pillow under your head. If you want a pillow under your head or not, that is your choice, but a pillow under the abdomen is compulsory. A flat pillow under the hip lessens the curves of your lower back and easing stress. There will be less problem of lower back if you put a pillow under your abdomen. Now, people who have degenerative diseases, they may have benefit from stomach sleeping with a pillow, not without a pillow. If you sleep without a pillow, you may have degenerative diseases or some diseases on the position where the red mark is seen in the first picture, that is the wrong position. And if you put a pillow under your abdomen and pelvis, there will be the natural curves of the spine, and this will help you to get your natural curves of the spine intact. So please use a pillow if you are sleeping on the stomach. Now we will learn about what is the back sleeping position. In the back sleeping position, this is the picture which you can know what is the back sleeping position. Now exactly how do you sleep on the back? You have to lay flat on your back on your mattresses. Place a pillow underneath your knees and keep your spine in neutral position. The pillows are very important because it works to keep your curve in your lower back. In your lower spine, the curves will remain intact. You may also place a small rolled up towel under your small of your back for your added support. You can see a picture around here. There is a small towel here to support the lower back. There is a pillow underneath the knees that support your lower back spine's curve. So, a pillow or roll towel below the knee and lower backs keep your spine in neutral position. Now, this position also helps in the alignment of the spine and your internal organs when you are sleeping. This is the wrong position when the pillow and towel is not under your body, and the red spots indicate where are the spine curves deflected. And in the lower picture, there is the correct position in which you can sleep on your back.
As you learn the position of sleeping, now we discuss about the pillows and mattresses. Pillows. When you select the pillow, you must take care of following things such as height, material, and firmness of pillow. The perfect height of the pillow will help you to maintain the neck straight and your spine in a symmetrical position. If the pillow is too high or low, it will create tension on neck and that will lead to developing tightness and stiffness when you wake up in the morning. While the soft and fluffy pillows are comfortable for your neck. As shown in this picture, these are the way to choose the pillow for neck support. Now, mattresses. The quality of mattress is just as important as that of pillow to ensure good quality sleep. The firmness of mattress help to reduce lower back pain. It should conform the natural curves of your body and keep the spine in normal alignment. It is very important to replace the mattress every 8 to 10 years because a worn out mattress can cause the body to sag and result into back problems. As shown in this picture, mattresses are not too hard, not too soft, it should be firm. Memory foam mattresses are firm and provide good back support, and also the sleep expert recommended this. Thank you for watching our video and have a nice day.